Guys, now today's a bit of a different video because Modern Warfare have actually patched most of the glitches, and I just need to find some other ones, and I don't really have any other games to play that I can do glitches on, so I'm going to be showing you how to do various different things on Vegas Pro 17. Now I'm going to be answering I'm going to be answering the most asked questions on the how to on Vegas Pro 17. Now the first question that's always asked is how to add text. Now basically you want to get a random video file. So for me, take my new COD video, yeah, let's do that one, and say I wanted to add some text here, so split the video, move it, and then insert video track. Now what you want to do is go all the way to insert text, and then just write whatever text you want. So I don't know, I'll just type Warzone, something like that, something simple. And you can also change your font and stuff like that, and if you scroll down here, change all this stuff. Also, if you want it like shorter, you just drag it here, or if you want it longer, drag it over here, and that's how you add text in Vegas Pro 17. Right, now the next most asked question is the how to zoom in a video. So what you want to do is get your video file. I'm going to use my new COD video again. The link to that's in the description. Say you want to, if I wanted to something like zoom in on my intro, I'd split it, there and there, and then I'd go ahead and click on here, and it should bring up this little menu here. Now for this one you probably want to scroll in and out a bit, so use the mouse wheel. Right, if you go ahead here and go to this diagonal one here, and if you bring it in, that should zoom it in. If you want to bring it out, zoom it out like that. Yeah, and that is how to zoom in on a video. Also, if you want to say zoom in at a particular time in the clip, just drag this thing to here, add a marker, and just zoom in like that. So let's have a look at it. So play it from here, you want the like that. Now the final most asked question is how to speed up a video. Now again, you want to go to get a video clip, can be any video clip, don't matter how long it is. Say if I wanted to speed up this little car journey here, just split it there, split it anywhere you want, where you want it, and go ahead and insert video envelopes, event velocity, and this little green bar, if you can see it here, you can just bring it up. That's how fast it is. So if we go here, yeah, and that is how to speed up a video. Now if you want to do it slower, you just bring the little green thing, and there we go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. See you.